Hey everyone, welcome back to TechTribeTV. So, just when we thought things were quiet before CES, Samsung goes and drops a bombshell. They've just unveiled their entire 2026 audio lineup, and let me tell you, this is way more than just a simple update. We're talking about a full-on offensive here, aimed at completely changing how we think about sound in our homes, from epic soundbars to some brand new smart speakers. Now, to really get why this is such a huge deal, you've got to look at this number, 11. For 11 years straight, Samsung has been the undisputed king of soundbars. We're talking a global #1 spot for over a decade. That's, well, that's just total dominance. So yeah, when they decide to shake things up, you better believe the whole tech world sits up and listens. And this quote from one of their top X, Hun Lee, really paints a picture of what they're aiming for. He talks about expressive performance for any space and moment. Now, what does that really mean? Well, to me, those key words, expressive and any space, scream that they're not just thinking about your home theater anymore. They're thinking about audio for your entire life. So let's dive in and see what they've cooked up, starting with their bread and butter, the soundbars. All right, first up, the Q-Series soundbars. This is Samsung's home turf, right? The cinematic stuff. And it's pretty clear what they're trying to do here. They want to cram that huge, immersive movie theater experience right into your living room. And leading the pack, of course, is the new flagship, the big one, the HWQ990H. If you followed their previous models, you know this is the top dog. It's designed to be the absolute no-compromise ultimate soundbar for anyone who's serious about their audio. And just look at these specs. I mean, holy cow. We're talking a full 11.1.4 channel system. What does that even mean? It means sound is hitting you from literally every angle. 11 directions around you, a dedicated subwoofer, plus 4 speakers firing up at the ceiling to create this incredible bubble of sound. And it's not just the main bar. You get wireless rear speakers and a totally redesigned sub that's smaller, but crams in 2 8-inch drivers for that super clean, punchy bass. Okay, now this is cool, this new sound elevation tech. You know how sometimes with a soundbar, it feels like the actors are talking from their shoes? Like the sound is coming from way below the screen? It's super distracting. Well, this feature is designed to fix exactly that. It uses something called psychoacoustic processing, which is basically just a fancy way of saying it plays clever tricks on your ears to lift the dialogue up, making it sound like it's coming right from the center of your TV. It's one of those once you hear it, you can't go back kind of things. But hey, not everyone wants a subwoofer and a bunch of rear speakers taking up space, right? If you're all about that clean, minimalistic look, Samsung's got you covered with this, the HWQS90H. It's their new super sleek, all-in-one powerhouse. And this is the magic trick right here. Deep bass, but without that big, clunky subwoofer box. They've somehow managed to engineer all that low-end rumble right into the soundbar itself. For anyone who hates clutter but still wants that punchy movie sound, this is a total game changer. Just look at how they pulled it off. This thing is packed to the gills with tech. You've got a 7.1.2 channel system powered by 13 drivers inside that one slim bar. And check this out. The convertible fit design means you can lay it down or wall mount it, and a little gyro sensor inside automatically knows how it's positioned and adjusts the sound for you. How smart is that? Okay, so soundbars are one thing, but this next part, this is where Samsung is really shaking things up. They're dropping a whole new line of products called the Music Studio speakers. And make no mistake, this is a direct shot across the bow at the big players in the premium Wi-Fi speaker game. And wow, they are clearly not just focused on sound. They're going for a whole aesthetic. They actually teamed up with a famous designer, Erwan Bouroullec, to create these. The whole idea is to make a speaker that you want to show off, not just another black box you try to hide. It's meant to be a piece of art that also happens to sound amazing. So the lineup starts with 2 models, the Music Studio 7 and the Music Studio 5. The Studio 7 is the bigger brother. It's all about immersive spatial audio, and it even supports high res for all you audiophiles out there. Think of it as the main event for your living room. The Studio 5, on the other hand, is the more compact, stylish stereo speaker. It's perfect for places like your kitchen, bedroom, or home office. Basically, one for serious listening, one for everywhere else. And both of these speakers have this really cool secret weapon inside called AI dynamic bass control. You know how small speakers can sound distorted or rattly when you turn up the bass? Well, this isn't just a dumb bass boost. It's a smart machine learning system that's constantly analyzing the music, predicting what the woofer's about to do, and tweaking it in real time. The result? You get way deeper, cleaner bass than you'd ever expect from a speaker this size. Okay, so we've got awesome soundbars and we've got these cool new speakers. But here's the real kicker, the thing that ties it all together. These aren't just individual gadgets. They're all part of one big smart ecosystem, with your Samsung TV right at the heart of it all. And the brains behind this operation is the new and improved Q-Symphony. So get this. You start with a 2026 Samsung TV. Then you add one of their new soundbars. But you don't stop there. You can then add up to 4 more of these Wi-Fi speakers, like the music studios, and place them anywhere in the room. The system then uses AI to map out your room, figure out where every single speaker is, and then perfectly synchronizes them all. It creates this one giant unified sound field that should be absolutely incredible. So, with a whole ecosystem of beautiful, powerful Wi-Fi speakers, who are they going after? I mean, come on, it's obvious, right? This is Samsung stepping into the ring and calling out the undisputed champion of wireless home audio, Sonos. This is the showdown. So let's break down the head-to-head. In this corner, you've got the Music Studio 7 going right up against the Sonos Era 300. Both are all about spatial audio. Samsung's bringing high-res audio to the fight as a potential edge. Then you've got the smaller Music Studio 5 taking on the Sonos Era 100. And then you see those rumor prices? They're exactly the same as what the Sonos speakers launched at. Yeah, that's definitely not a coincidence. So how is Samsung planning to win this fight? Well, it all comes down to their secret weapon, the ecosystem. I mean, think about it. How many millions of people already have a Samsung TV in their living room? For them, the idea of adding speakers that perfectly and seamlessly integrate with their TV through Q-Symphony is a huge, huge draw. It's something Sonos just can't offer. You throw in the SmartThings app to control everything and all that AI smarts, and suddenly Samsung has a really strong case. And that really brings us to the million-dollar question. Samsung has the name, they have the power, and now they have a seriously impressive lineup of gear that is aimed squarely at Sonos's throne. So, could this be it? Is this the ecosystem that finally loosens Sonos's iron grip on the wireless home audio market? Well, I guess we'll find out when all this gear actually launches later this year. But I want to know what you think. Is this new Samsung ecosystem the real deal? Is it enough to make you think twice about Sonos? Drop your thoughts down in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, do us a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe to TechTribeTV, and we'll catch you in the next one.